This is a bit of a preview. This crazy chair has been making the rounds. It's a Scorpion chair. We've done some wild setups in the past involving some pretty elaborate places to sit and various monitors and gaming PCs. And we've just, completely outlandish stuff we've done in the past. And of course, we have no intention of stopping. We're just in between a couple of different projects at the moment. We did the ultimate $30,000 gaming PC setup. This is a fun video. It seemed like ages ago. I love the intro and the music and the lights. Well, don't give the whole video away. Well, people want to go check it out for themselves. However, we got plans to do something more. And this giant Scorpion gaming chair is a real level up on the thing we used last time. And if you scroll down to these GIFs, this thing is way more adjustable on a bunch of levels. This looks totally sci-fi. You walk in and some dude is making those adjustments. And, oh, geez, man. I mean, you can bring the monitors in tight to your face. You can bring the keyboard unit. You can be a lot lower and flatter on this one. Look at the motorized monitor portion. We didn't have that on the previous versions. The whole thing just had the one axis going on. Mm-hmm. So anyway, we got a plan for this. Willie Doo's got a plan. This is called the IW-SK Zero Gravity Esports Gaming Chair. Willie Doo has a plan.
Yeah.
So
I'm diligently working on it.
Things are going to happen. We have a setup coming. I will be sitting in that creature very shortly. So definitely keep it locked for that.